Sassy Sisters! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our new series, Makeup Friday. Every Friday, I will try to create a simple and easy to follow makeup tutorial. But first, please watch this autumn-inspired makeup tutorial. First is I'm applying this Luminous Smooth Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. My shade is 125 and I'm blending it using this Real Techniques stippling brush. Remember, sister, blending is the key in achieving smooth skin. Next is I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. My shade is number 20 Sand Sable. And I'm using the technique of the triangle style for the fading effect. And if you want to have a thicker application, you can use your fingertips. And setting it by using this Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. Next is the brows. I'm using this Fashion 21 Duo Eye Enhancer in the shade of light brown. And I love brushing my brows to make it look more natural. And to match the color of my hair to my eyebrows, I'm using this Fashion 21 Eyebrow Gel Smudge Proof in the shade of light blonde. It's been a habit for me to clean my brows by using the same foundation and just blend it using the stippling brush. And for the eyes, I'm using NYX eyeshadow palette. I will be just pointing you the shadows that I'm using since there is no name mentioned in the eyeshadow palette. Next is I'm using Sea and Coal Brown eyeliner and blending it using this Real Techniques Detailer brush for more smoky effect. For the eyeliner, I'm using this Miss Beauty London in the shade of black. And for me, this is one of the best mascara in the market. This is from L'Oreal Voluminous Black Extra Black Mascara. And I love focusing on the outer lashes for more dramatic effect. In contouring, always remember that you are creating number 3 on your face, which is the forehead, your cheek, and your jawline. And using the same product, I'm contouring my nose line. Here, I'm using Mineralized Blush Petal Powder by MAC and I'm blending it using this Real Techniques powder brush. And since we are creating soft glam makeup, I like lining my lips using this Magnetic Lips by We Care in the shade of Natural Nude, followed by Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade of Seductress. Thank you for watching, sisters, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe on my channel. Till next time, bye!